drinking stuff for? What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your boy, MotherCitiMadeNovi. Why did I just do that? I'm gonna regret this later when I edit this video. Oh my gosh. But we got unplugging your phone during an update. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the update, the iOS 15 update if you have an iPhone, obviously. You know what I'm saying? This iOS 15 update. It's actually been going crazy over social media, you know what I'm saying? So it's probably about that. It's something similar to that or some shit like that. I still gotta upgrade mine though. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Goddamn, Skittle! On time and what? I need help with my homework. It's due in 1 minute. In 1 minute? Come on now, Skittle. You said 1 minute? Man. Brother. It's due in 40 seconds. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Fuck, bro. Okay. Well, Beluga can't live without this character. Like, man's life is in Discord, you know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying. I feel it. Is mommy calling me? I think my mom's calling me, bro. Am I tripping? Oh yeah, she calling. Alright, I'll be there in a second. Hold on. Oh no. Bubbles? Yes, sir. Hell nah. That is crazy. That is really crazy, bro. Wow, my computer just switched off. I don't know for what reason, bro. That is crazy, bro. That is real crazy. But as usual, man, comment down below what y'all want to see next, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what you want me to react to next, you know what I'm saying? That subscribe button, we're almost at 500. Appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you on the next video. No cap.